Hello, little friends. Welcome to Fruit Fiesta, where we'll discover the exciting world of fruits. Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Great! Let's start with our first fruit, apple. Meet apple. Apples are red and sometimes green. They're crunchy and juicy. Eating apples helps keep our teeth healthy and makes our tummies happy. Let's move on to the next fruit, orange. Here comes orange. Oranges are, well, orange. They are packed with vitamin C, which helps keep us healthy and strong. Plus, they taste super sweet. Up next is a tropical delight, mango. Say hello to mango. Mangoes are yellow and super tasty. They are rich in vitamins and give us lots of energy. Who loves mango smoothies? Not forget a green powerhouse, guava. Guava is green and filled with goodness. It's rich in fiber, which helps our digestion. Eating guavas is like giving our bodies a hug from the inside. Are yellow and come in their natural packaging. They're easy to eat and give us a quick energy boost. Who likes bananas in their lunchbox? Time for a royal treat. Pop. pomegranate. Pomegranates are like little jewels. They're red and filled with tiny, juicy seeds. Eating pomegranates is like having a party in your mouth. Let's keep the fruity fun going. Grapes. Grapes can be purple, green, or red. They're small and easy to snack on. Grapes are like nature's candy, sweet and delicious. Time for a very exciting fruit. Strawberries are red and oh so sweet. They're loaded with vitamin C and make our taste buds dance with joy. Who loves strawberry jam? Let's into the world of exotic fruits. Dragon fruit is pink and speckled with tiny black seeds. It's not only delicious but also full of antioxidants. Eating dragon fruit makes us feel like adventurous explorers. Let's not forget a cherry on top. Cherries are red and super cute. They're not only tasty, but also great for our hearts. So, pop a cherry and let your heart smile. And last but least, a pear-fect friend. Pears are green or yellow and have a lovely shape. They're rich in fiber, which helps keep our tummies happy. Who likes a crunchy pear? Well, that's our fruit fiesta. Remember, eating a rainbow of fruits makes us healthy, strong, and full of energy. So, let's celebrate the fantastic world of fruits together.